Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf from Techdroids, and in today's video let's review the OnePlus Bullets Wireless earphones. For 3,990 rupees, these seem like a really good contender for the best budget wireless earphones. So in this video let's find out if they're actually worth it. So we'll be doing the unboxing and I'll give you guys my full review with the pros and cons. And with that being said, let's get started. Starting off with the unboxing of the Bullets Wireless and talking about the box, on the front you have a picture of the headphones itself, and towards the back you have the pricing information, which color you bought and all that goodness. And getting into the box, first things first, you will see is that there's two compartments. One of them is the accessories and one of them is the headphones themselves. You have extra ear tips and hooks, and you also have this really good quality silicone case. It's actually really good for the price, and you also have a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable for charging these earphones. Moving on to the second compartment, first things first is this instruction manual. This is all the information, so if you want to know how to set it up and how to pair it and things like that, although it's very simple, you can read it. And you have the earphones themselves very neatly packed, and the unboxing experience in my opinion is actually really good. So now talking about design and build quality of the Bullets Wireless, the buds itself are very well built, and for the price I think this is really good build quality. They're made out of aluminum, but the cabling itself is something that I didn't like. There is a lot of bulk on the headphones, and also I was expecting OnePlus to go with a flat style ribbon style cable that is just better resistant to wear and tear, and it lasts longer. So if you are planning to use these for a long time, a flat style cable would be appreciated, OnePlus. But this is not bad either. It is pretty average, and I think it'll get the job done. And you also have an inline remote control, to raise the volume, to decrease the volume, and also there's a play pause button by holding which you can launch Google Assistant, but there is a noticeable delay, so I didn't really end up using that. There is also a microphone which is of pretty good quality. And yeah, the build and design and just these extra features are there. There is a USB Type-C port on the headphones to charge them, and yeah, battery life is actually pretty good. They advertise 8 hours, and if you're using the earphones at 60 to 80% volume, that is actually true. You can get up to 8 hours of battery life. If you crank the volume up to 100%, then you might get somewhere around 6 to 7 hours. But the battery life itself is pretty good, and even if you do run out of battery life on these, you can top them up in under 30 minutes, and that's not using the dash charger. Any regular charger will work, and the USB Type-C cable is actually provided in the box. And yeah, I just appreciate USB Type-C in 2018 and in 2019. Now talking about the most important part of this earphone, that is the comfort and the sound quality. You can choose your size and preference of ear tip and ear hook, and these usually fit pretty well, and this will be the case with most people. It's a pretty natural fit, the ear hooks especially, and the sound quality itself is very good. It's pretty neutral and balanced, and most people will like it. And also if your device supports Qualcomm aptX or aptX, it'll be even better. And yeah, the sound quality itself is very good. You get crisp treble and also some decent bass. I wasn't expecting this amount of bass in this earphone. They are pretty deep. It's not earth-shattering bass or anything like that. It's there and it's very good. As I said, the sound itself is pretty balanced, and in my opinion these are the best sounding earphones for about $70 or 4,000 rupees in India, and they're actually comparable to expensive ones as well. So you can maybe compare them to earphones upwards of $100 or 5 to 6,000 rupees in India. The features they offer, the sound quality, the build and design, overall, it's a very good pair of wireless earphones, and I think OnePlus has done a really good job. And for the price they're asking for, it's totally worth it. And if you are looking to buy a pair of these, the link is down below, so go buy it from there. And that's been it, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this was helpful and if you enjoyed it in any way, go ahead and smash the like button. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the video and the Bullets Wireless themselves. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.